Discover the Stinger infotainment experience for Toyota Tundra vehicles. Transform your drive. This kit has everything you need to enhance your vehicle with a full infotainment experience. Made for Toyota Tundras from 2014 through 2021. The kit features a stunning Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch touchscreen display and infotainment system, a vehicle interface that simplifies wiring and retains your vehicle settings, menu, and factory steering wheel controls. With efficiency in mind, we built a complete plug-and-play experience. The installation kit perfectly mounts the HEIGH10's amazing 10-inch display between the factory air vents, reducing hours in custom dash fabrication. Features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to send and receive messages or phone calls, listen to music, podcasts, and access your phone's navigation apps all at your command. Upgrade your view. This system includes 4 camera inputs. You can add a backup camera, left and right side view cameras, and a front view camera for auto switching when parallel parking. No phone signal? No problem. If you purchase an optional iGo navigation card, you'll get turn-by-turn directions, thousands of points of interest without needing a cell phone signal. The HEIGH10 is flush-fitted to minimize vibration and shaking. The secure mounting system was engineered to hold your HEIGH10 system securely to withstand any bumps, dips while towing or carrying anything in your truck bed. And finally, for you audiophiles out there, this system features a built-in power amplifier, 4-volt 6-channel RCA outputs with subwoofer control, digital optical Toslink output for external DSP, built-in crossover with high and low pass filters, and 15-band adjustable EQ with customizable presets. HEIGH10 features anti-glare and anti-reflection technology for best outdoor visibility. Personalize your display with customizable Rgb illumination to match factory illumination, or create your own. Are you ready to upgrade your drive? Transform your vehicle with a full infotainment experience with the Stinger Radio Replacement Kit today.